everyone, welcome to this show sponsored by Goldmine Aroma. This is Sure Gold, where food always comes exciting. You know how it is, right? So what we're making today is plantain pot. Have you heard of the name before? Yes. Relax, sit down and enjoy a great meal where we make new healthier way to enjoy your old favorite, you know. So today we are making plantain pot. Okay? These are the ingredients. I have my different kinds of bell pepper, my red, greens, and yellow. I have my eggs. I have my chopped chicken. I have my kale. I love kale. Then I have the plantain here, the onions. And I will never forget my Goldmine Aroma mix. We're using fried earth mix. Yes, basically while waiting to fry a plantain, I have to marinate this and put my milk in it. Did I introduce milk that time? Yes, I added milk to it just to have that milky. So guys, I drained the milk out. And I fry. Just eating. Okay guys, this is plantain pot. My plantain pot is filled with all the veggies that I like. And I told you can do any of the veggies and your proteins, depends on your choice of proteins and veggies. Please kindly share, like and subscribe so that we can always be bringing you every exciting content. So guys, thank you and have a good day till we see you again in another episode. Bye.